So you want to be a drone pilot.
Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Jace. I am the lead pilot for Tri-State Engineering and DroneForce LLC based out of New Jersey. Today we'd like to showcase for you what it might mean for you to become a drone pilot.
So you got a drone and you want to get into the commercial drone industry. Well, here's the deal. It's not that easy. You have to go through the proper channels and proper training to become a drone pilot. These days, being a commercial drone pilot does not mean that you are part of the military. You are a civilian pilot that knows how to operate the drone safely inside the environment that you're operating in. These days, the FAA requires anybody that wants to become a commercial drone pilot to pass a test. This test is kind of like the same test you take for driving a car, except for it deals with aviation, chart maps, flight maps, situational awareness, things like that. The FAA at this point does not require any type of hands-on training when it comes to the flying of the actual drone. The test that you are required to take and pass is a general aviation knowledge test. After passing that test, you will be awarded a drone pilot license. It looks like this. Obtaining this license is kind of like obtaining your driver's license. It basically states that you now know how to operate your vehicle inside the situation that the vehicle was designed for. With this license, it is assumed that you know all the FAA rules and regulations for operating a drone, but here are some of the basic ones that even people without a commercial license should understand. Always fly below 400 feet. Always keep a visual line of sight with your drone. Never, ever, ever fly if you can't see your drone. Be aware of all FAA airspace requirements. That's including anybody that is flying just for fun and not a commercial pilot. Never, ever fly over groups of people. Never fly over stadiums or any sporting events. Never, ever fly within 5 miles of an airport without first contacting the ATC and airport authorities. That's a no-go. You should never do that. Never fly near any emergency response efforts like fires, crashes, anything like that. Never fly near any other aircraft, ever. And never, ever fly under the influence. You would never drive a car under the influence. Don't pilot a vehicle under the influence. Trust me, you want to avoid situations like this. There are people that still fly illegally and still fly their drones in an unsafe manner, and they will get into a lot of trouble for it. People fly into stadiums still all the time. People fly into trees every single day. People crash their drones just trying to land it every single day. If you disrespect, devalue, or are just ignorant to the ability of your drone, you're going to cause damage at some point. If you treat this drone like it's a toy, like most people do, people will get hurt. Drones have killed people. I know this stock footage is dumb, it's stupid, but it has happened. So if you're going to be getting into this industry and you're going to get your commercial pilot license, please understand that there's a lot of FAA rules and regulations that you have to follow. But there's also a lot of common sense that you're going to need to have to become a good drone pilot. So now that you have a better understanding of what it might take to become a drone pilot, you have to figure out what you'd like to do with your commercial license. Are you going to enter into a drone racing league? Are you going to travel the world and post pictures and videos of the things that you've seen? Will you be attempting to start a drone delivery company for the future? Or are you going to get into the construction industry with your drone and use it for photogrammetry, inspections, analytics, stockpile analysis, etc.? Now that you have a better understanding of the rules, the regulations, the risks, and the jobs that you can do with a commercial drone license, the only question you have now is, when are you going to start? On behalf of TSC and DroneForce LLC, we thank you for watching our videos. Please make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube page, as more videos will become readily available in the future. We want to showcase more of the things that we do with our drones. We want to show you how to do them too. And remember, always stay safe flying.